How to subscribe to Raining Vegetables application. Once you subscribe to the application, you're able to enjoy all the services of the application, the customer support services, uninterrupted. So here is how to subscribe to the application. You come to settings on your dashboard. Once you click on settings, you're able to see the subscription, pay subscription icon. Click on pay subscription. Here are the pricings for your farm on our application. You can choose to pay monthly, or you can choose to pay 6 months, or you can even choose to pay yearly. And on whichever choice you click on, either yearly or 6 months or monthly, click on pay, and you're able to subscribe to the application successfully.